Tired of bland salads? Want to add a burst of flavor and nutrition to your meals? Microgreens are the answer. They're packed with nutrients, easy to grow, and add a beautiful touch to any dish. In this video, we'll dive into the top 10 microgreens to grow, whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out. Radish, a classic choice with a spicy kick. Quick to grow and perfect for salads or sandwiches. Benefits: rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Sunflower, a sunny addition to your garden with a nutty flavor. Great for salads, smoothies, or garnishing dishes. Benefits: high in protein, fiber, and vitamin E. Mustard, a spicy and tangy microgreen that adds a punch to your meals. Perfect for salads, sandwiches, or stir-fries. Benefits: rich in vitamins C, K, and antioxidants. Fennel, a licorice-flavored microgreen that adds a unique taste to your dishes. Great for salads, soups, or seafood. Benefits: high in vitamins A, C, and K. Arugula, a peppery and tangy microgreen that adds a zesty flavor to your meals. Perfect for salads, sandwiches, or pasta dishes. Benefits: rich in vitamins A, C, and K, as well as antioxidants. Basil, a classic herb that can be grown as a microgreen for a fresh and aromatic flavor. Perfect for pesto, tomato sauce, or salads. Benefits: rich in vitamins A, K, and antioxidants. Beets, a sweet and earthy microgreen that adds a unique flavor to your meals. Perfect for salads, smoothies, or garnishing dishes. Benefits: high in vitamins A, C, and K, as well as antioxidants. Kale, a nutrient-dense microgreen that adds a hearty crunch to your meals. Perfect for salads, smoothies, or stir-fries. Benefits: high in vitamins A, C, and K, as well as antioxidants and fiber. Broccoli, a tender and flavorful microgreen that adds a boost of nutrients to your meals. Perfect for salads, soups, or stir-fries. Benefits: high in vitamins A, C, and K, as well as antioxidants and fiber. Wheatgrass, a nutrient-rich microgreen that is often used for juicing or as a garnish. Perfect for smoothies or salads. Benefits: high in vitamins A, C, and K, as well as antioxidants and fiber. We've covered the top 10 microgreens to grow, each offering unique flavors and nutritional benefits. Call to action: start growing your own microgreens today and enjoy the fresh, flavorful, and nutritious harvest.